I think by losing Mbogazi Orlando Pirates, ngisazokutshela Shini, i-different ukuthi i-Sundowns and Pirates this year kuzoba yilonto le. Losing that boy Mbogazi, you needed that boy mfethu. Nimlosing is yabona, I understand the boy is a career. There's nothing the boy can do. We're happy for the boy. Mfana mele hambe. If the boy is doing well, South Africa is benefiting. But lose, you can't change that boy with space. Because Mangi mina, that's what they did. Give him an belt, uthatha kule mfana. So Sundowns dominated the game, and Pirates we are shy party. Butuma supposed to be composed and finish. Also Sundowns shy party ngenhloko Ndamani. In fact, Sundowns dominated this game, I will be honest to you. Yes, but the Pirates, not to say they outclassed on the Pirates, they had a moment. You understand? It's just that some players, they were off. Number one, Apolis was off, I will say to you. Mbutuma was off. Relibekele Mfokeng off as well. When a moment, Nomtejela off at all. You understand? Lo mfana Sibelebele bafuna be wing back. Angithi bamchale is more dangerous. Bambona when he's going forward, scoring or kudlala lama assist. Gula umbona khona ukuthi is on song, but it was off as well. Also, these two centre back, I don't think was the link between Usbisi no this Calcium. So yeah, no, well done to Sundowns, experienced team, quality players. Coach Footnine Mshali Zandla carries 2 games now. The game last week, Mshali Zandla. As coming identity. I mean, also managing the game, Amasapo coming bring Alende. You know, when you bring Alende, the philosophy, you see not much. The best way to defend is to keep the ball, especially with my error right. Sometimes what they did, also bring Umshishi. Though I feel Umshishi, I think the game, tempo be high. Yabo the more you get older, we are born with Marabi Bamfunelu manage the game. Yambona. It hardly lose the ball, creative foul for you, interpreters for the coach. So Orlando Pirates, Mreme, when he came, he never gave much. That's why it's certain players, in order for the team to function, you can't rely on individual brilliance in each and every game. Sometimes you need a team effort. So in today's game, I'm very Sundowns and Tony the quality and sheen and experience. These guys, they're playing well done to it. I think the coach was a mistake by taking him out. It's a big mistake for me. In today's game, it's just that he needed the surrounding people that will assist and support him. It's a pity that Umbacha was not here. I think was going to play a huge role for Orlando Pirates. You needed energy in the middle of Orlando Pirates. A bit nervousness with this guy in today's game. Nuno, in today's game. Nuno, Leon. Jaden Adams, Mkoen as well. Yeah, no, Ndao, Sundowns mfethu njengoba ngisho Shini hlale ngisho leli game mina ngisazosho bazoyiwina mfethu, I'm saying it again.
Junior, thank you so much for your analysis.